Bienvenidos aquí en Off-Roading Arandas. Welcome everybody back to this channel. Right now I'm going to open a power source Anker. It's to charge multiple devices. The one I got is 512 volts. So, brand Anker. Agarré esta batería que puede cargar un montón de cosas. Y agarré de 512 voltios. Let's check what we have in here. Vamos a chequear qué hay acá. So, vamos a abrir la caja. Opening the box. The first thing I see is plug it into the car so it will charge the battery. Esto es conexión para que se pueda cargar la batería esta y tener más energía. Next one we have the house charger. It plugs into the house so we can charge this battery. Tenemos el cargador de casa. Now let's open it and see what do we find. Anker. That's how it looks. And nothing else. Well, first thing I noticed, it was like 20 pounds. Or 15. Right here we see the house plug. These are going to be using for my portable cooler or for the car. Tienen este de carro para cigarros o lo que quieran conectar. We see a C-type, conexión C, and 3 USBs y 3 USBs, and then we see 4 house plugs. And then I think this button tienen 4 conexiones de casa. There's a button right here. Let's press it. So it didn't came charged. So let's plug it in. So plug it into the house. This thing goes right here. Meterlo aquí. And this one, the connection's in the back. Now let's see if it turns on when it's plugged in. Now it's telling me the percentage. The display. They check the light turns on when it's plugged in. No, the light doesn't turn on when it's plugged in. I think it needs to charge. And oh, there we go. That thing is really, really bright. Let's see if it has other options. No, it's just that one option. Fold it and see what happens. Hold it. No, it's just one bright. Oh, and then in slow motion. Then turn up. So we hold it to have different types of lighting. I think this is a power saving. You want to have a power saving mode. And this is, I think this is to charge the house plugs. And I think this is to change the display. So far everything is saying is I think. Okay, that was charging. Now let's see if it's charging, would it charge the cooler? Would it turn on the cooler? This is the only reason I bought this battery, for this cooler. This is not just a cooler, it's a fridge. I do have drinks inside, a lot of drinks. So, lo voy a conectar, I'm going to connect it. Then I'm going to connect the car charger. and it's turned on. Then it gives me the settings for how cold I want it. I leave it around 10. And it is turned on while it's charging. Oh, I hear it on.
I hear it.
Yeah. So now let's check the display. Oh, you click right here just to see how much percentage. At 24%, it's cooling up. So it works. Now I'm gonna put all this inside the truck. This might be under the, maybe under the car seat. This connector right here. Then this one is gonna connect to the car. So this battery is gonna be connected right here. This is gonna be connected over here. Thank you for watching. Oh, and then this one also has a USB. And there it is. Thank you. See you in the next channel, guys. Los veo en el siguiente video. Sí se puede servir cuando este está cargando. Se conecta, prende. También se conecta este para el carro. So, si estoy manejando, está cargando la batería está prendiendo esto. Es la única razón que lo compré. Anker is a good brand. Also Jackery. Not getting paid for promotions, but if you're gonna buy something that it's a good brand that you know is gonna last for a long time. Gracias por ver. Compré esta marca, también Jackery es una buena marca. La razón que compré una marca es porque no quiero que se joda o algo. Esta marca es reconocible, no me están pagando por esta promoción. Los veo en el siguiente video. And see you in the next video.